Typhoon Wipha struck Hong Kong and the storm moved southwards before causing landfall on the coast of China's Guangdong province. Strong winds and heavy rainfall uprooted trees, forcing over 200 people to seek refuge in temporary shelters.
This time, due to the Typhoon Wipha passing through Hong Kong, although its wind strength itself wasn't very strong, it hit Hong Kong directly. The damage to Hong Kong and our eastern district was still somewhat significant. However, fortunately, the main issues were limited to fallen trees and collapsed bamboo scaffolding, with no reports of casualties. Compared to previous typhoons like Mangkhut and Hato, which caused much more astonishing destruction, the impact this time was primarily limited to fallen trees and collapsed scaffolding.